Hey fam, welcome back to the channel where we deep dive into the biggest moments of African reality TV. If you're a fan of Uthandwa's Tembo, then you already know episode 25 of season 8 was a roller coaster. Today we're unpacking Mangwabe's emotional declaration that this is the last trip with the family. And of course, we've got to talk about Mayeni and her decision to keep Nini home. Is it health? Is it power? Let's get into it. But before we get into it, let's watch this.
Dela ubanjwe yi-flu and une-rash. I am looking forward to the trip because nje ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani. This is my last family trip with Umseleku family.
Wow, guys, let's start with this bombshell that we just heard. Umangwabe in a diary session calmly and clearly told us that this is a final trip with the family. No drama, no scenes, just a woman who has made peace with her decision. What's wild is that this isn't coming out of nowhere. We've seen this building since the proposal number 5 in the previous seasons, where Musamselegu was telling his wives that he wants to take number 5, and all the wives, especially Mayeni and Umangwabe, were saying they are going to leave, and it's like now is the time for them to leave. I mean, we've seen Umayeni has gone home to Oshabeni. Mayeni has left countless times, although she comes to visit to see her kids, but it looks like she's a gone girl. She left. That's how she's behaving this season. And Umangwabe is always saying goodbye to us. We saw in Musa Mselegu's birthday where she was like this, I was doing it as a farewell, to say farewell Musa, because we're divorcing. And now, even in this clip, she's telling us ukuthi yena, she's leaving. This is a last trip. So again, her presence on this trip feels symbolic. I mean, she's tying up emotional loose ends, and you can see her observing other wives, other kids. I mean, when they're choosing my rooms, she's there, you know. There is like a sense of finality. But anyway, we'll see, because she actually looks happy in this trip. If you watch the full episode, for me, she looked calm and happy. I'm not sure whether it's because number 5 hasn't really come into the picture or she's pretending. But I mean, for her to go to the trip and not cancel, for me, it shows that I don't know whether she's rethinking or she's going to leave or she's just being cordial with the whole family. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And then what made this trip extra emotional was how everyone was interacting. If you watch Umakumalo with the kids, the other two moms, Umacele and Mayeni, are not there the first day when they arrived. So everyone is interacting, oblivious to the fact that Mangwabe has already left emotionally. It doesn't really show the tension in the family. Everyone is together as a family. Everyone is happy. That's how they are portraying themselves to us as the viewers in that trip. So I'm just hopeful that it's just an act. Utumangwabe is going to stay, because I love their family together, you know. So now let's move on to Ishuga Mayeni not going to the trip. We don't know whether it's the first day or she will go as the episode progresses. But from what we see, it's Umayeni asking Umnini not to go to the trip, telling him actually, because she's the parent, Umnini is not going to the trip. So now for me, I'm thinking, because Nini, we've seen Umayeni in a diary sessions, Nini wasn't well, and he's asthmatic. So I'm not sure if because his mom is not going, that's why she insists that Nini remains, so that she can take care of him. Or since she's not there, she feels maybe the other wives won't be able to take care of Nini the way she would want to. Or maybe my other thought says she wants to spite her husband Umusa Mseleku by taking the kids away from him, so that he feels pain and maybe reconsiders not taking number 5. Hey, I don't know, but he's already taken number 5. Let's watch this and see how Mnini felt about all of this.
Siyahamba. Nambeka kahle baba mina ningishi. Ngizokutshela ukuthi uma wakho angasasilandela intambama. Ngeke azosilandela lakho mangayo na. Umnini uthi baqeda kufonela uma wakhe and akazwakala ekhuluma kahle, so kungenzeka bangafiki kwi-trip. Nje baba sangisafuna Ozala mfana, ozala.
Oh, shame. Poor Mnini. So, Mayeni didn't let Nini go to the trip. You can see Musa is hurt, confused, and he's even comforting Umnini. Oh, that's so sweet of him as a father. The question is, was Mayeni using Umnini as a pawn, or was she genuinely worried about his health? It's possible that Mayeni is doing both, protecting her son and making a supple power move. Let's not forget, Mayeni is fiercely private and doesn't tolerate nonsense. Mayeni is sharp. Also, on the other side, her love for her children is unmatched. But her relationship with Musa, her husband, is complex nowadays because Mayeni is always up and down, going home to Oshabeni. She's been away this season. Like even when she visits or goes for functions, she'll mostly be coming from home. Oshabeni. Okay, we've seen both sides of what is happening in Musa's family according to this analysis of Umangwabe leaving and Umnini being told that he's not going to the trip. So let's analyze what this means for the family. With Mangwabe preparing to exit and Mayeni making firm decisions on her own, what does this mean for Musa Mselegu's empire? We're seeing a shift in power dynamics. The unity Musa often talks about is being tested by individual choices. Mangwabe leaving may encourage the other wives to reevaluate their positions. And then on the other hand, Mayeni's independence shows cracks in Musa's vision of control, of polygamy that he's trying to build. And then we're also speculating how Macele and Makhumalo, who've always been loyal to Musa Mselegu, might react going forward. The idea of polygamy being a family unit only works when everyone is on the same page. Right now, everyone is reading a different chapter. So guys, there you have it. Mangwabe is out, Mayeni is dating firm, and Musa, well, he's facing a new reality. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Mayeni was being protective or strategic? And is Mangwabe really gone for good, or this is just another break? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reality TV reviews. You can watch the full episode on DSTV, Catch Up, Mzansi Magic, channel 161. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate your comments and thank you so much for subscribing. Until next time, bye.